Today I have for you these motion power wall sconces, and these are awesome. I have them in my stairwell, but they really can be used in so many places. So whether a stairwell, a hallway, lots of options. But as you can see here, this one already is on. You've got a light in the top, in the bottom, and they've got a couple different mounting options. So they do apply. There goes the other one. They have magnets on the back here, and they do give you 2 magnetic plates to install. Now, you can install those with a sticker onto the magnetic plate. I'll show you that. Or they do include hardware. So if you've got like a rougher surface, or maybe you just want a better mount, you can do that. You also do get the charging cables, USB to C for both of the lights. You also get remotes, one for each light. I'm just using one. If you point at the light, you can just use the one. And then also the brochure that goes over all of the features. But let me show you here on the remote. You have got the on, so that's just going to turn the lights on. Then you've got the night setting and the anytime setting. So the night means they're just going to do the motion detection at night. Anytime means day or nighttime, they're going to go on. And of course you have off, you have the brightness levels, you have the white, or warm, neutral, and white. Different timers here. And then the settings from brightness to dimmest is 20% to 100%. So 5 light settings. But let me show you how these are installed on the wall and how great they look. All right, right here is where I have the plates. So I just used the double-sided tape on that and mounted those. Let me get the lights up. And here we are with the lights up. Let me go through the different and there we go. They look absolutely awesome, and I love them.